Here are my tips when you are showing homes to clients. Number one, you got to make sure that you're setting the right expectations when you meet with your clients at the house. Always make sure that you give your clients the closest spot to the house, not park in the driveway. Let's say it's only a one car driveway and you park in the driveway as an agent and then you let them park in the street or go around for parking. Always try to get feedback after every single showing. It's always best to do that outside of the house. Don't be getting feedback from them inside of the house itself, because you never know if there are cameras or anything like that inside of the house where the seller is going to actually listen in, or the listing agent is going to listen in to what you're saying. Also afterwards, try to eliminate some options. Let's say you are showing them 3 or 5 homes one time that you're meeting them. At a rate of 1 to 10, what do you rate this house and which ones you want to completely cross off the list? This way, when it comes to the end of your showings, you sit down with them and then go over the ones that they want to put an offer on, and this way it avoids confusion and help them put the offer on the right house. Try not to see more than 5 houses in one single day. And the main reason for that is you're gonna get confused. You know, buyers are gonna get confused if they're looking at more than 5 houses in one day. They're not gonna remember what they saw. They're gonna probably so many houses, then they're gonna forget which one was which and what style had what, and it's just gonna get really confusing. So if there are a lot of homes that they wanna see, I would try to narrow it down to the best 5 at the most, and then try to go from there and then set the right expectations right afterwards.